Hello lovies! For today's video is gagawa tayo ng ating DIY homemade biscuits. Ayan. So, nag-pour lang ako ng aking condensed milk. And then after that, ay nagdagdag lang ako ng 2 egg yolks. And then 2 tablespoon cornstarch. Ayan. And then, I make sure na na-mix sila ng maigi. Ayan. So, after mixing it well, ayan na. Then, heat lang ako ng pan and then I added 3/4 cup of washed sugar. Yan lang kasi yung available kong sugar. So, yan na lang din ang ginamit ko. No need to buy pa ng white sugar. And then, in very low heat, ayan, ininit ko lang siya. Then, after that, ayan, natunaw na yung ating sugar. Then, nagdagdag ako ng half cup of water. Ayan. And then, hinalo ko lang din para matunaw ng maigi yung ating syrup sugar. And then, inad ko yung mixture ng aking egg and condensed milk. Ayan. I make sure na well combined sila. And then, after that, I added 2 tablespoon of margarine since wala din tayong butter, so pwede na maging substitute ang margarine. So ayan, minake sure ko lang din na well blended sila and then hanggang sa ma-achieve natin yung consistency na hinahanap natin. And then after that, ayan, nakikita ninyo na okay na yung ating caramel filling. Ayan. So, ayan, hindi ko na napakita, hindi ko pala na video. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng red na food color. Yung caramel, hinati ko actually. And then, yan yung cookies na aking mga, or biscuits na aking gagamitin. Yan. So, as you can see, nilagyan ko na sila ng caramel fillings na with color red. Since this is for Valentine's, ayan. Super cute lang nila. So, since wala akong piping bag, so gumamit na lang ako ng ayan, disposable plastic. Although, napakahirap i-manage, but later on, na-manage ko naman siya. Nakagawa ako ng hard na shapes. So, ayan. Iba't ibang biscuits yan. Meron akong ginamit yan. That one is wafer. And then, merong Fita biscuits, MY San biscuits. Baka naman, MY San. Ayan. So, nilagyan pa natin siya ng ibang biscuits para mapuno yung ating plate. Ayan. Actually, yung plate na yan is nireshape ko lang yan. Ginamitan ko ng as you can see, kitang-kita naman dyan, ginamitan ko siya ng sketch, ng stapler, and then ng double-sided tape. Ayan, para more secure na hindi masira yung shape ng ating plate. Actually, lahat na ingredients dyan na ginamit ko is kung ano lang meron ako dito sa aking kitchen. Ayan. So, 2 plate pa lang ginamit ko kasi bibigay ko to as aking 2 mother. Ayan. So, nagdagdag pa ako ng big round biscuits. Ayan. So, lalagyan ko lang yan ng caramel fillings pa din, yung hindi ko nilagyan ng food color. Ayan. Super cute lang, and then super like sila ng aking kids kasi this is super sweet. Ayan. So, kung bibilhin natin to sa mga tindahan ng mga Valentine's Day treats, like to mga biscuits, may mga gantong mga fillings. Ayan. So, it will cost us a bit expensive. So, pag mag-DIY lang tayo, super makakatipid tayo. And ayan, mapapangiti pa natin yung ating loved ones na bibigyan natin. So, after that, bumili lang kami ng teddy bears with artificial roses. Ayan. So, yun na lang yung sinabay ko doon para binigay namin sa aming both mothers ng aking husband. So, ayan, super cute na niya. So, yan, dinagdagan ko na din yung isang plate. So, yung color brown that is the MY San biscuits with vanilla fillings. Ayan. So, syempre, equal ang lagay ko dyan. Same with the other plate. Ayan. Magkaparehas lang ang laman.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys, meron na tayong finished product and this is our Valentine's treat for our two mothers, both parents namin ni Happy. So, yan, super cute, diba? And my kids love this. Ayan. So pretty. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Happy Hearts Month!